Turn your cell phone, iPod, game console, or laptop into something less boring by wrapping it with wraps. There are a bunch of designs to choose from, or you can upload your own and just use that. Wraps.com. That's wraps with 2 P's and a Z. Wraps is the ultimate way to personalize mobile phones, laptops, games consoles, and other devices. Wraps is not a case, it's a skin. A super thin laminated vinyl decal that's not only designed to look great, but also protects devices from wear and tear. Wraps are easy to apply, and the patented 3M vinyl doesn't leave any sticky residue, so you can change them as much as you like. Wraps are easy to make and can be created through the Wraps.com website. Wraps.com is very user-friendly, easy to navigate, and there's no login. For users, Wraps is 3 easy steps. 1. Select the device they'd like to wrap from hundreds of devices, including cameras, gaming consoles, iPods, laptops, mobile phones and tablets, with more being added all the time. 2. Upload their own images or choose one from the Wraps library, which features funky artwork and licensed content. 3. Design their personalized wrap for their device. And once this is done, all they have to do is pay for the order with credit or debit card, and their design is sent via the cloud to a Fujifilm central lab for production. The work is produced on a Muto printer, then laminated and cut for the individual devices with a specialized cutter. The finished wraps are sent out to the customer in attractive packaging, and once they receive it, they follow the simple instructions to position it on their device. Wraps is the ultimate digital fashion accessory. It's easy to create, easy to change, and means that you can personalize your device so it's truly yours.